I'm not an inventor, just a regular me. But big change starts small, that's how it can be. Ideas can grow from the simplest spark. A light in your mind can brighten the dark. Anybody can invent, yes, it's true. A little idea could start with you. Big dreams, small steps, the future is told. Go big, go bold, you can change the world. From everyday struggles, solutions are made. Simple creations that never Anybody can invent, yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. But a little idea could start with you. Big dreams, small steps, the future is told. Go big, go bold, you can change the world.